Thank you, Mary Rose. Marami times si Mary Rose nag-absent now again. Thank you. Now, si Tusarim, all of you, I see some of you, marami nag-absent. Ano, wag dapat continue kayo faithful. Okay, Mary Rose, sorry kasi Lord ka wala. Sorry, forgive. That is why, natin siya, sometimes, deaf, your life is difficult. If difficult, you have to be honest na mag-ask sa God. You know why? I will explain. Please wag deaf mag-hardwork. Ang learning the word is God's own word. Okay? So sometimes you sign you have no load. Wala. I think you have to evaluate your life. Yeah, maybe there are other wrong. Kasi I give you for example, si Tusalim, I obeyed God for 43 years. You see, you understand? I have money problem, I have need and different thing. Ang God yan nag-give. Ang God yan na siya maganda. It's not so true that is fake. If for example, your heart is honest that you want, honest ka mag-obey sa God, you beg to God and God will give you. If you are honest that you want to learn God's word, you try. Sometimes yes, sometimes you have no load, yes. But if you are honest, ang God yan mag-give. Kasi God's will yan mag-give ka ng load. Pero important ang word mag-give. So, deaf si Tusrem, I encourage you have to add your faith. You have to add your faith. Ang God yan, He knows your heart. If you are honest yan, ang God yan mag-give you whatever. Yeah. Kasi ang learning the word is God's own word. So, ang God yan mag-give. Okay? So, just for us here, we don't have money, but God knows that it's His work, His own work. So, ang God gave. For example, si JD. Oh, every weekend, maganyan-ganyan yan sa motorcycle. Ang gas niya yan, 300 in every week. Not na siya nag-absent. Kasi if God knows your heart, ang God yan mag-give. I don't know how, but God mag-give. Kasi ang God, please, all of you attention. Ang God, attention, please, attention. Ang God fail never. If you obey God, you're honest, ang God will give you fail. You can. So please, deaf, you have to evaluate your life. Yes, sometimes it happens. Yes, it happens sometimes we got test, but once in a while, yeah. But through ang honest yan, ang God mag-give. Why? That is ang God's culture. That's a lie. Sito Salim, I not believe that. Well, once maybe, but no, it's not true. so please, deaf, you have to learn, and then you do sorry, forgive. Next, you have to trust God. Ang God yung true yan, ang God mag-give. I hope that deaf mag-learn. Kasi that's the Salim experience for 43 years. God failed never. Mary Rose, thank you for the learning. Kasi Mary Rose, ang God purpose is to bless you. So kapag Mary Rose, if you are continue to be faithful, ang God also will do it. Be faithful to you. Ang God not sa nag-apply. Ang God is true. So si Tusalim, I want that the deaf mag-practice ng true. So you will experience and God will bless you. Mary Rose, thank you so much that you learned. Thank you.